My name is Anne, and it's time. It's never really about the right time. As a mom, you're waiting for things to get stable. As a student, you're waiting to finish school. As a young profession, you're waiting to earn more. And there will always be a reason to wait. So there is never that perfect time. Like, you just have to come out of that comfort zone. There will always be a reason to start growing your future, a reason to start doing your things the way you want them to be done. It's never too late to start. Looking at myself, I know I'm growing old, and I've been wanting to do a lot of things in life, but I feel like because of where I am in life, like, these are things that most people that are older than me are able to do. And it's time for me. I've come to realize that it's not impossible. And the things that I've been wanting to do, like figuring out when I'm able to do them at 30 years old, I feel that this is the perfect time to start. And this is more of building my future, knowing where I want my financial independence year to hit me at. And I've just realized like the right time to start is now, so that as I get to that year, that moment that I want to be stable, I need to work for it now. For me, it's time. As you're watching me, it actually means it's time. This is the perfect moment for you to start. You might be there wondering how you will start it, but trust you me, this is the perfect moment. For us as a company, we are here to give you that opportunity to grow your financial independence. Like, you can start investing from very little, and within a span of years, you are able to actually see this passive income working out for you. So this year we are actually running this campaign of It's Time, just to let you know, like, anyone. We don't have a specific group we are targeting, but you're there, you're wondering, how am I able to start this? Now is the right time. Don't wait.